what you trying to do to me? It's like we can't stop, we're enemies, but we get along when I'm inside you.
Zdravo svima, ja sam Gamer Bre i za prvi video na kanalu igramo Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. Evo, počnemo od ovog Camping New Game, yes. Onda ćemo poslije da idemo malo po misijama, se zezamo. Ali prvo ovo, da vidite kakva je igrica i o čemu se radi. Malo da i ja upoznam. Pošto ne igram je prvi put, ali da vi vidite. Ima jedan trening kao tu nešto, ali nije nešto posebno. Ali barem da vidite.
Boundary shift, new play.
Evo, završilo se. Znači, mi smo sada tu sad day 1. I šta će se dalje dešavati, sami ćete vidjeti. Ja ću kao sam da pokazujem toj grupici kako se puca i ta strana.
See a lot of you guys firing from the hip and spraying bullets all over the range. You don't end up hitting the damn thing and it makes you look like an ass. Private Allen, show me what I'm talking about. Don't aim down the sight here. I'm trying to make a point here. Just fire from the hip. Let's try a few more. You see what I mean? He sprayed bullets all over the damn place. You put them to target by aiming deliberately down your sights from a stable stance. Private Allen, show our friends here how the Rangers take down a target. Crouch first, then aim down your sight at the target. Private Allen, aim down your sight before engaging the target. Don't forget to aim down your sights, Private. Private Allen, aim down your sights before engaging the target. Don't forget to aim down your sights, Private. Private Allen, aim down your sights before engaging the target. Don't forget to aim down your sights, Private. Private Allen, aim down your sights before engaging the target. That's all there is to it. You want your targets to go down? You gotta aim down your sights. Now, if your target is behind light cover, remember that certain weapons can penetrate and hit your target. The private here will demonstrate. Hit the target through the wood panel. Private Allen, hit the target through the wood panel. Private, hit the target through the wood panel. Private Allen, hit the target through the wood panel. Private, hit the target through the wood panel. Private Allen,
Opet jako je dugačko. Ajde, već onda mi se...
hit the target through the wood panel. Last but not
Evo,
least,
prešli smo ljudi i to
you
i
need to know
sad
how
ja
to
trebam
toss a
da
frag
uzmem
grenade.
bombe.
Toss the grenade down the range to take out several targets at once. Note that frags tend to roll on sloped surfaces. So think twice before tossing one up here. All right. Thanks for the help, Private Allen. Now get over to
Ajde
the
sad
pit.
da beže da
General Shepard
pređemo na
wants to see
drugi
you run the
zadatak
course.
ovdje.
All right. Who wants to go first? Show me what you've learned so far.
Da više neću morati da poslušam motori. Znači, ovo nešto je
Hey, Private. Welcome back to the pit. Heard General Shepard wants to pull a shooter from our unit for some special op. Anyway, he's up there in observation. Alright, try switching to your rifle. Good, now switch to your sidearm again.
Pušku.
You see how fast that was?
Sad ću da ih
Remember,
razmišljam.
switching to your pistol is always faster than reloading.
7, 8 metara, ajde budem se još nego pusti da pređemo ovu misiju.
Best shooter gets to join the Prima Donna squad. If that's your thing.
Da, nekog nisam. sirena, ništa ne završili. Opa, i završili smo misiju.
Okay, head upstairs and regroup with your team, or you can go back in and run course again.
Evo, to smo završili, save and quit, i sad ćemo jednu misiju da odradimo onako čisto radi ajde da pređemo ovu misiju. Pokušao sam da je pređem, ali ne ide, valjda ćete mi vi pomoći. Izvinite, samo Fiksi zvoni. Halo? Halo? Ne mogu. Idem na neku predstavu. Ćao. Ne mogu, ćao. A večera, sad ćao. Izvinite, ljudi, Fiksni me jednu, ali ne nastavimo. Nekako treba, če je prvi deo, već mogu da pređem. Ali posle je jako teško. Bio sam da googlim. Prema što je pozvao ove svoje prijatelje, to je jako dobro. Sad će prođe tamo neki sa početom, da ću morati raditi kao streljam. Majko. Sačekat ću malo se odmah.